I'm on my way to Cebu to experience the hotel and the wellness center of Maayo. So it's Maayo Hotel and Wellness Center. I see you in Cebu, guys. Hi guys, so I'm checked in already. So I have here my information packet, my keys, and we're going up to the room. The lobby is in the 7th floor and my room is in the 11th floor. Let's go up. So if you're not aware, Maayo Hotel is a hotel geared towards medical tourism. So there's parang health and wellness center attached to it. It's right beside. So we're gonna go there sometime later today or tomorrow. But first, of course, I've checked into my room. So, ililipat ko na yung cam. So, you will see me enter my room. Actually, nakapasok na ako sa room kanina. But I want to start the room tour from outside. So, ayan. To your left, when you enter the room, of course, you will see cabinets. So, hindi ko na siguro ilalabas yung gamit ko and ilalagay dito. But the cabinet is so spacious, you guys. The closet is so spacious. It comes with this basket. Saan mo pwede ilagay some of your stuff. And then there are slippers. And of course, there's a safe. Yan. So, and then of course, meron tayong full-length mirror. And let's go inside the room. Tingnan nyo guys, it's so cute. The towel is so cute. Yan, I think it's a pig though. And then they gave us a lip balm. So I have a lip balm, I have a soothing balm. So, I also have hand sanitizer and hand cream. Tapos, ayan, of course, merong mga reminders and merong welcome. So, I have a queen-size bed all to myself lang. Everything inside the minibar is for free. Everything that's mine already. So, I have nuts, I have a Nuchi bar. Everything is from growers, you guys. And then, of course, I have this giant bottle of water. They are not using plastic, I think, because for sustainability reasons. And they also have yung sikat ngayon locally, in pomelo flavor. And C500, and of course, I have a widescreen TV. You have the menu for, what do you call this, room service. And then, of course, because this is, their forte is wellness, they have your massage services, so foot massage, foot scrub. Medyo, wallet-friendly yung prices nila considering these are services inside the hotel. So, facial cleansing, body massage, thermal massage, everything. So, the connection I'm using right now is their Wi-Fi, which you can connect super daming any number of gadgets. So, ayan, there are cabinets, of course, and what else? So, I'm very happy with the bed, guys. It comes with a lot of pillows. And then, comfy chairs. Let's have coffee or something later. May coffee shop sa baba. I think it's CBTL. And of course, let's go to my favorite part of every good hotel room. The shower room. So, I love that they have both yung rain shower and yung pwede mong hawakan na shower head. Okay. So, spacious siya ha. And then, of course, yes, ang hinahanap ng most of us, may bidet in the toilet. And then, of course, inside, meron tayong yung, they have 2 dental kits, they have a vanity kit, of course, shower cap, bath soap, they have your lotions, towels, of course. And, for sustainability again, guys, the shampoo, conditioner, and the bath gel are in dispensers. Yan. Hindi siya naka small containers. So, I love the packaging. Oh, grabe. Very minimalist. Tapos, what else? Oh, and I'm so happy kasi merong hair dryer. So, ayan, more towels. So I want to show you guys very quick lang the itinerary that we'll be doing today. So later on, we're gonna have Picasure facial treatment. So magla-lunch muna kami. And then we're gonna have dinner. And then we're just gonna have body massage. I don't like body massages, but I'm probably gonna try it for the very first time tonight. So before anything else, we're gonna have lunch. So I'm gonna say goodbye now. And thank you very much for watching. Bye! Maayong buntag, Cebu!